This is a 2000 Dodge Cummins 5.9 24 valve VP 44 pump. I don't know who's been in here before, but they made a mess out of this freaking wiring, so I just had to do the tappet cover. So I took all the wiring and I pulled it up out of there, and I took all that shitty tape off of there, and I retaped it all. So I think probably if you're in there, my thoughts are I would get in there and retape this stuff, because I'm in here and might as well do it now. So I took this all out. I taped all this with just electrical tape, but then I wasn't satisfied with that because this comes pretty close to the computer here. So I took a piece of old this stuff here, and I gorilla taped it right around that corner because it's wicked close to that. I just don't trust it, and like I said, I don't want to get in here again. So this is a 2000 Dodge Cummins, and your wiring down here and down in there too. You probably can't even see it, but I got wires down in there, and that ground wire was all uncovered, and it was just a mess. Somebody got in here and they just, I don't know, people that work on these things shouldn't be working on them.